There's a new landing page template now available in Thrive Architect, and with it you can create your ideal one-page website. So let's check it out. Hello, I'm David from Thrive Themes, and this new landing page template is part of the Thrive Biz landing page set in Thrive Architect. And every page in this set can be used to build a one-page website. So let's have a look at the page that we have on our hands today. So this page is ideal if you have a restaurant business or you own a pub or something like that. And what we're looking at right now is probably the most important part of the page, because this is the place where you can leave a good first impression on your visitors, the main section. If you scroll down, you're going to find an About Us section, right, with a couple of introduction sentences. Scroll down further and you're going to find some distinctive features of this business, right, a few items from the menu. Scroll down further and you're going to have more menu items, right? And here you have a few Thrive Architect toggle items, right? So click on this and it will expand and your visitors will be able to see your entire menu. Then scroll down and you're going to find some testimonials, very important on this page. And scroll down further and you're going to find an even more important section where you can present an offer or a call to action to your visitors. Then a couple of more distinctive characteristics of your business, and last but not least, a section where you can find some exact details about the business, right? The address, the phone number, and a map. What I want to talk about in this video is what should you do with the buttons, because obviously you have only one page and you cannot send the users that click on a button to a different page. So you have a couple of options. For example, in this case, since this is a make a reservation now button, you can attach a phone number to this button, and you can find out how to do that by clicking on the link in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can basically attach a phone number link to your buttons. Then another option would be to link the button to a lightbox, and inside that lightbox place a contact form element from Thrive Architect, and then you can tweak that contact form in order to make it look like a reservation form. So that's what we're going to do right now real quick. So the first step is to create a Thrive Lightbox, and you can find it in the WordPress admin dashboard, right? Thrive Lightboxes, add new, and we're going to give it a name, right? Reservation button link, something like that. Publish it, and then we're going to edit it with Thrive Architect. So here we have the blank lightbox, and what we're going to do is we're going to search for the contact form element, place it inside the lightbox. And as I said, we need to make the contact form look like a reservation form for our restaurant. And what we also need to do is make it fit the overall design language of the page, right? So as you can see, we have some black and we have some orange-ish colors here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on change template here, and we're going to look for a template that has some black and some orange in it. So this one seems like a good fit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change this image here. So click on the column, go to background style, click on image, and in the media library we've prepared an image that has sort of a restaurant pub theme, and we have also adjusted the dimensions a bit in order for the image to fit that column. So insert it into the post. All right, now we're going to apply, and we also have a linear gradient. We're going to remove it, and as simple as that, we have an image. And now let's customize the actual contact form. So click on the contact form element, contact form option, and now instead of first name here, let's write the full name, right? As simple as that. required. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to customize the form fields. And let's see what we need to add on a reservation form. So we're going to need something like date and time for when the reservation will be made. Right, we're going to leave the field type as it is. We're only going to customize the label. So date and time, and we're going to give an example like 11th of October, 5 p.m. right, something like that. And we're going to make this required since it's very important. Then what else do we need? The field type, we'll leave it like that. Number of people, right, very important. And as an example, 4 adults and 2 children, right, required as well. And now we're going to move them here because they're very important. And I'm also going to add a phone number field. So add new, as you can see, we're already set, required this one as well. And we're going to move it above the email address or below. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. And instead of message here, we're going to write something like special requirements, right? Maybe. Okay, apply and leave it like that. Now let's also add required marks on it so that the user knows exactly what he needs to complete. So as you can see, they will have these red dots on them, and these need to be completed by the user in order for them to complete the reservation form, basically. And now let's work a bit on the design of the contact form. So we don't need this blue color, we'll put black instead. So we'll go to background style, and here we'll simply put black. And let's work on this button a bit as well. So we'll go to this page and we're going to edit it with Thrive Architect. So what I'm looking for here is the color of the button, because we're going to apply it on the button of the contact form as well. So background style, and I'm going to make this a global color, as simple as that. And now we're going to apply it on the contact form submit button. So background style, and I'm going to apply the global color. And instead of the white text, I'm going to make it black. And let's see what font face we have here on the button. So Noto Sans. So we're going to make this Noto Sans as well. 700, simple as that. And yes, uppercase. And here we're going to write, what does it say here on the other, make a reservation now, right? Okay, as simple as that. And now the last thing that we need to do is we need to sort of notify them of what's going to happen after they submit this form. So for this, we're going to click on the contact form, and here we'll go to email and after sign up setup. So we'll go straight to after submit action in our case, show success notification. And here you can say basically that you will get back to them with a confirmation. So your message has been sent. Thank you. We'll back to you as soon as possible with a confirmation message, right? As simple as that, and save. And in this way, if the dates or if the time that you have required isn't available, then they would be able to get back to you either with a phone call, a phone text, or an email regarding the confirmation of your suggestion, right, of your requirement. So the last step now is to link the button to the already created lightbox. And to do that, click on the button and go to animation and action. Here we're going to click on pop-ups and select open Thrive Lightbox, and then select reservation button link, right, which is our lightbox. Then you can even apply an animation to this, or leave it like that. We're going to apply. And as simple as that, now the button is linked to the Lightbox and the visitors are able to make a reservation. And basically this concludes our video about the new landing page template and also about how to link a button to a Lightbox. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.